morning, dear students. Sit down. Where is Kritikesh? I don't know, ma'am. He may be late again. Is coming. Kritikesh, why are you late again?
Sorry, ma'am. Ma'am, I was in the bus, so that's late, ma'am.
Very bad, Kritikesh. You should be punctual at school.
Sorry, ma'am. I won't repeat it again. Can you please sit down?
Yes, sit down. Okay, students, now I want to tell you a short story. Listen very carefully. Manu and Bose were two friends. They are equal in every competition. Manu was punctual, but Bose was quite lazy. One day, Manu told Bose that they had a competition on school. For that, they have to prepare an article. The next day, Manu told Bose that whether he would like to come to write his articles. But as usual, he refused and went to play. The next day, Manu submitted his articles to his teacher and Bose submitted on Monday. In the evening, teacher called both of them and said that Bose, his articles was the best, but due to the late submission, his prize goes to Manu. So, dear Kritikesh, now you understand why we should be punctual.
Yes, ma'am. Now I understand why we should be punctual. Now on, I will come to school on time.
Now, what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we should be punctual and do and finish our work on time. Thank you.